Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add icons to the titles of the Tabs module in Divi. Adding icons like these can make your tabs more visually appealing and easier for users to scan by pairing text with a clear visual element. Divi doesn't have a built-in option for this, but you can achieve it with the Divi Booster plugin or the standalone Divi Tabs module, Tab Icons plugin. Once installed, you'll be able to select icons for individual tabs and style their appearance across the module. This feature is particularly useful for layouts like feature comparisons, pricing sections, service pages, FAQs, or any other tabbed content where clear visual cues make navigation easier. Let's dive in. To add icons to the titles of the Divi Tabs module, you'll need to use the Tabs module Tab Icons feature. This feature is available either through the Divi Booster plugin or as a standalone plugin. Once installed, it introduces a new tab icon setting for each individual tab, allowing you to assign icons to specific tabs. Additionally, global styling controls are added to the parent Tabs module, making it easy to style all tab icons consistently. To add icons to your Divi Tabs module titles, you'll first need to enable the Tab Icons feature, as Divi doesn't include a built-in option for this. You have two ways to do this. The first is through Divi Booster, a plugin that not only includes the Tabs module Tab Icons feature, but also provides a wide range of Divi fixes, enhancements, and customization options. This is a great choice if you regularly work on customizing Divi sites. If you only need this specific feature, there's also a standalone plugin called Divi Tabs module, Tab Icons, which is available as a single feature option. You can choose a license for just one site, multiple sites, or unlimited sites, depending on your needs. Once you've installed the feature via either plugin, the new tab icon controls will become available in the Divi Tabs module. From there, you can easily access the settings and start assigning icons to individual tabs. To assign icons to individual tabs in the Divi Tabs module, start by opening the Tabs module settings. Select the tab you want to edit by clicking its gear icon. In the tab settings, navigate to Content and then Tab Icon. Here, you can choose the icon you'd like to display next to the tab title. Repeat this process for each tab where you want an icon. If you don't assign an icon to a specific tab, it will continue to display with text only. To style all the tab icons in your Divi Tabs module at once, start by opening the Parent Tabs module settings. Then, navigate to the Design section and select Tab Icon. Here, you can adjust settings like the icon's color and size. These changes will automatically apply to all tab icons in the module, ensuring a consistent look throughout. If you want the Active Tabs icon to stand out, you can style it differently from the rest. Open the Tabs module settings, head to the Design section, and then select Active Tab Icon. Here, you can adjust features like the icon's color or size to ensure the active tab is visually distinctive. If you want to customize the icon style for just one specific tab, you can override the global settings. Start by opening the settings for the individual tab you want to adjust. Then, navigate to the Design section and select Tab Icon. Here, you can modify the icon's style, such as its color or size, and these changes will apply to that tab only, leaving the global styles for other tabs unaffected. Once you've assigned icons to your tabs and styled them, save your changes in the Divi Builder. After that, exit the Visual Builder to preview how your tabs look on the front end of your site. You'll see the icons displayed next to the titles where you assigned them, while tabs without any assigned icons will display as text only. For example, you could have inactive tab icons styled with a global gray color, an active tab featuring a larger blue icon, and another tab using an individual icon style override, such as an amber icon. Make sure to give it a close look to ensure everything appears as intended. If your tab icons don't appear on the front end, there are a few things to check. First, make sure that the Tab Icons feature is installed and active, whether you're using Divi Booster or the standalone plugin. Next, confirm that you've selected an icon in the individual tab's content settings under Tab Icon. Also, double-check that you've saved the module or entire page before previewing it on the live site. Finally, if caching is enabled, whether through a plugin, server, or CDN, make sure to clear the cache. For more detailed troubleshooting steps, refer to the accompanying post. If you're looking to take your Divi tabbed content even further, there are several customization options you might find useful. For example, you can learn how to display source code inside Divi tabs, create more flexible tab-style layouts, or even add icons to Divi accordion titles. I've linked guides for these and more in the accompanying post, so be sure to check them out. Adding icons to the titles of Divi tabs modules is an easy and effective way to enhance the visual appeal and usability of your content. Using the tab icons feature, available through either Divi Booster or the standalone plugin, you can assign icons to individual tabs, apply global styles, and even fine-tune the appearance of active or specific tab icons as needed. If there are other customizations you'd like to explore, like adjusting the tab layout, adding images, tweaking mobile behavior, or styling individual tabs, be sure to let me know. I'd love to help.